Okay guys, here's our 3D rendering of the kitchen. This is all to size and scale. And I'm traveling today, so there might be some background noise. Excuse me for that. Starting off with our sink cabinet here, centered up on a window, drawer stacks left and right. And on these drawer banks, these 3 drawer stacks that we see here, the bottom drawer is 13 inches tall. Okay, let's go to a larger. This bottom drawer is 13, and this is throughout the kitchen. The bottom drawer is 13, 11 1/4, and 6 3/16. Drawer stack here, and then this cabinet would be triangular shaped on the inside. 2 doors that come together on the corner, hinges left and right, and obviously this cabinet would not be built that way. It's just a limitation with the cabinet program, but that would be at an angle. But our fridge cabinet in the corner, this is the fridge leg that goes up to 118 inches, and then the top of that fridge leg would follow the ceiling. The bottom of this cabinet is at 72 inches, and this is 37 inches wide, which fits 99% of the standard size fridges out there. Glass cabinet doors on the top. So we have I think this cabinet's about 4 feet tall above the fridge, which is pretty big. But we can certainly bring it up to that ceiling. Dishwasher to the right of the sink. This cabinet here is a mirror image on the other side. And in the corner here, these 2 drawer fronts are bound together, and this would be a deep drawer that pulls out at the diagonal. To the left of the range, and this is the proper size range that you showed me there, we have a spice rollout that pulls out, and the right side is open, shelving for spices, and that bottom shelf is about 1 foot tall, but we can customize that for olive oil, etc., etc. But this pulls out like a drawer. This cabinet, tray divider for cookie sheets and cooling racks. There's a little drawer there, and then another large drawer stack to the right of the stove. Our hood centered above the range, and then this shelf, if I've got this right for you guys, is 3 inches thick from up and down. It comes out 9. And then I have made the shelf inside this cabinet 3 inches thick that would flow through. Now, if you want a radius corner, meaning it's not a sharp 90-degree corner in here, or this and this to be look like one shelf, we can work on that. I know that's a little hard to describe in here. You showed me the picture, but we can just further work on exactly what you're looking for with flowing this shelf into this cabinet. So this is an exposed interior. It's all stain grade. And then glass doors above. And then the island. It is 9 feet across this way, and then 60 inches this way, I believe. So looking at, let's go to plan view. So if we, with our measure tool here, from the countertop, and I know there's I don't know why this shows in the plan view, but we don't need to pay attention to that. I'm just looking at walk-through space here. So we can have about 3 feet here, and then from the range side to the end of the island is about 3 feet, and from the sliding glass door side to the other end of the island is 42. So we can make this to where we have a minimum of about 3 feet all the way around this, and work on centering this up precisely in the kitchen. but we have the octagon shape here. A standard cabinet with adjustable shelving. There'd be 2 rollouts in this side, 2 rollouts here, drawers above, and the back side of the island right here is the same side as this. Adjustable shelving. We can of course modify this completely if we want drawers or doors in the corners. One option is to do an exposed interior with these triangular shaped shelves, or we can make that a door. And then on the end of the island, let's look at it from the other side. And again, the ends are mirror images of one another. A large drawer here with doors underneath, and there's rollouts behind these doors. 2 rollouts behind each cabinet door, or each cabinet in this kitchen here. So there's 2, 4, 6. So a total of 12 rollouts in the island. And the wine cabinet over here on the side, 36 inches wide. And we have the left side, which would be for wine bottles. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. So glass doors up the side here with wood shelves. This whole unit is 16 inches deep. We can do a glass panel on this too, where you'd see this would probably be the cork side of the bottle here, and a shelf that's cut out in the back for airflow. Exposed interior here, just an open stained grade nook here. We could do a wood countertop or a granite countertop, but overall 36 wide, 16 deep. And I hope I got this right according to our conversation on the layout of this. Okay, so there we have it. Let me know what you guys think of this. We can certainly modify it or adjust it based on what you guys want, but please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.